In this video, we'll cover why and how to check for obstructions. Starlink requires a clear view of the sky to actively track and communicate with the satellites overhead. Anything in your Starlink's field of view can obstruct its ability to communicate with the satellite network. Nearby buildings and trees tend to be the most common obstructions. As an example, this is not a great location. The tree is blocking your Starlink's line of sight to the satellites. This could interrupt your internet connection. This location is clear and your Starlink can connect to the satellites with no drops or interruptions. Before you start setting up your Starlink, you can use the Starlink app to check for obstructions in your desired location by navigating to the Check for Obstructions tool. Position your phone in the exact height and location you plan to set up your Starlink and move your phone's camera to scan the sky within your Starlink's field of view. Once finished, the Starlink app will display the obstructions and tell you whether this is a good location to install your Starlink. You can use the Check for Obstructions tool multiple times to find the installation location with the clearest view of the sky. If needed, you can purchase additional mount options and cable lengths from the Starlink shop, which can help raise your Starlink above any obstructions. Following an install, Starlink will collect data to create a map of obstructions in its field of view. This process can take about 12 hours, and the obstruction map will continue to fill in over time. If Starlink is partially obstructed, the app will let you know how often it's experiencing interruptions. Interruptions will be most noticeable during video calls and online gaming. Even small obstructions can have a significant impact on Starlink's performance, so it's important to find a location with a completely clear view of the sky to avoid interruptions. If Starlink is partially obstructed, dropouts may become less common over time, as Starlink continues to collect data and optimize its connection to the satellites orbiting overhead.